On desktop, install Polka.js, Talisman, Subwallet, or Polkagate from your browser extensions inside your wallet. Create a new account, write the recovery phrase down and store it offline. PDEX has been delisted from centralized exchanges. Swap into native PDEX directly at PDEX. Go to Explorer Polkadex EE, click My Account, and pick the account you want to stake from. Browse the validators page, nominate up to 16, and avoid anything flagged high risk. On your wallet dashboard, click Stake More, enter an amount, and sign with your wallet. Click Payout Rewards, then claim all, up to 30 payouts bundle into a single transaction. Track realized APR, per-validator charts, and CSV or tax exports on the staking rewards page.